Hello there! My name is Michaela Kleisinger, and I have recently completed my spring and summer fieldwork placement at XTHERAPY Athletics, which is in Edmonton, Alberta. XTHERAPY is a boutique fitness studio which offers high-intensity interval training, ride, yoga, and bar classes in downtown Edmonton. They also offer a 6-week weight loss challenge, which provides clients with workouts, accountability training, a nutrition guide, and a mindfulness journal, all designed to lose 6% body fat in those 6 weeks of the challenge. So for my special project, it was one of those pillars of the challenge, which was the nutrition guide. So although I was involved in the entire challenge as well as the other pillars, the nutrition guide was my number one focus. I chose this as my special project because I knew that Tamara had been looking to update their current nutrition plan for some time, but didn't have the time or the resources to do so. Because I have an interest in nutrition and I enjoyed the nutrition classes I took at U of R, I thought this would be a great way to dig a little bit deeper and help people with the nutrition knowledge that I already have. I also saw it as an opportunity to gain a bit more knowledge in this field. So my original plan for this project was to spend a bit of time researching the guidelines of the current plan and how they were going to affect weight loss, and then how I could keep these weight loss goals with the changes that Tamara and the staff were looking to make. The major changes that they were looking for were based on the number of calories each client would be eating to ensure that they had enough food to fuel their bodies while still losing body fat, which is the main goal. This is a high protein, low fat, no sugar, and no gluten plan, so the restrictions can hinder the calorie intake depending on what the clients choose to eat. It is also a grocery style meal plan, meaning we give a list of foods to choose from and then they can mix and match however they'd like as long as the portion sizes stay within the guidelines. It is a fine line to get all of those restrictions. Based on the timeline for the start of the next challenge, I had 2 weeks to get the base meal plan out and another 2 weeks to pump out the other 4. Once the first plan was complete, it was fairly simple to work out the other 4 plans because all that changed was the calorie amounts, but the food options did not. All I needed to do was edit the portion sizes and they were essentially the same plan. As you can see here, there is a 1400 calorie, 1600 calorie, 1800 calorie, 2000 calorie, as well as a vegetarian meal plan. In the end, my nutrition project was an absolute success. There were definitely a few tough conversations along the way with management based on how to get the best results with the guidelines they were hoping to keep for these plans. I believe those conversations will benefit me in the future because I learned how to speak my opinions in a respectful manner. As long as the interest of the business is in mind of everyone at the table, everyone's opinion is welcome and valuable. I believe these skills will help me in future business situations, which is something I was not expecting to learn during my fieldwork. So far, everyone that has used my plan has been successful in their weight loss, which is a huge sigh of relief and breath of fresh air for me, as I was obviously concerned that the plan would actually do its job. Although I did the research and designed the best plan that I knew how, there was no promise that it would work in person until the clients started to use it. I'm so glad that our clients are seeing results with the plan that I created. I hope they continue to see these results in the future and help other people to crush their lifestyle and fitness goals.